Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have another Dollar Tree find to try out. I have been on such a roll with Dollar Tree finds, and this one here is from Revlon. It's the Revlon Kiss Cloud Blotted Lip Color. Blotted lip color and cloud lip product are very unique sounding. I'm not really sure what this is going to look like, what kind of texture it's going to have, and even the packaging here. Like, I almost would have thought this was like a liquid blush or something. Like, it doesn't look like a typical lip product packaging. So I'm very intrigued. And I only had to pay $1.25 for this. And the shade that I got is called Pouty Peach number 9. Okay. Yeah, let's see what this applicator is like. Oh, wow! A tiny mini doe foot applicator. Definitely not like a scent to this, but it does just kind of have that product smell. But let's do a swatch before I apply it to my lips. Ooh, okay. That's more of a bright orange than I was expecting. I'm actually very excited to see how this is going to look on me. I haven't really worn such an orange lip in a long time. It's not super opaque pigment. It's kind of like I guess like a thin liquid lipstick. I guess we're gonna have to go ahead and see how it is on my lips because I'm really not sure what texture this is gonna have. And my lips right now are dry and chapped, so hopefully this has some moisturizing effects to it. Yeah, it has a little bit of a balmy texture to it, but going on like a nice, smooth, silky, slippy liquid lipstick, but not at all opaque. I'm not loving the amount of pigment that this has. It's just kind of giving a weird in-between. Not a tint, but not opaque. And I can see my natural lip color peeking through a lot, so it looks very textured. It's kind of clinging to those dry, chapped areas as well, which is adding to the texture even worse. I do kind of like this shade though. I feel like I'd have to mix this with something else, like another lip gloss or liquid lipstick, then top it with this. Like this alone is just not moisturizing enough and not opaque enough, but I do like the hue that it gives. Like the color is a flattering hue. The texture too is not very comfortable on my lips. It's not moisturizing. It actually feels a little drying, which is kind of weird since it's not the type of matte texture that dries down, but it has this almost, I kind of want to describe it as like powdery feel. That cloud claim, I feel like is what is giving it this very light, like borderline dry, but not dried down feel. It's hard to explain, but it's not a very nice feel to this. So I just feel like all in all, there are really no qualities of this product aside from that like tint of color that I'm liking. I don't like the feel of it, the look of it. So I would have to say that this is unfortunately a Dollar Tree miss for me. I find a lot of Dollar Tree hits, but sometimes I'm bound to get a miss. And just for me, this isn't working. You know what? Actually, one last thing I do kind of want to try, because I actually love this type of shade for a blush. And since it's not super pigmented, let's see how it is as a blush. I'm just going to put like a couple dots like that. Let's see if I can blend it out. Okay. I was just about to give up on this product, but we may have found a much better use for me. Picking up a little bit more because it actually does blend in quite nicely, and I love this shade for a blush because it warms up the skin. It doesn't look too pink or red. ooh, a very sun-kissed effect. And it looks really good on the skin, actually, with the texture, where that kind of, how I was saying, powdery dry, that actually is a great texture for a blush. It's looking smooth, blendable, even. Okay, wow. I almost feel like this was mismarketed or mislabeled at the Dollar Tree, because this is a fantastic liquid blush. And it's not even completely liquid, like a moussey cloud liquid blush. That's what this should be. Cloud instead of cloud blotted lip. Oh, I guess blotted lip, since it is kind of that with a tissue. Yeah, that is like exactly the feel of it, actually blotted. Like after you use a tissue and you've got that kind of drier feel on the lips, some of the pigment has come off. That really is the effect that this is on my lips, a blotted lip color. But this is not an effect I like to get. Like once I blot my lipstick like that and I lose that much hydration and pigment, then I want to just touch it up. So it's funny that this is giving that needs to be touched up type of effect. But love it on my cheeks. A great wash of color, just enough pigment for a blush, looks smooth, it was easy to apply. So I'm really actually excited to use this as a blush. I'm so glad that this video turned around at the very end there. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.